Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a fantastic day. Very slow, very choppy day. I mean, this was most of today. Just you don't want to be trading in this, like especially at least on futures. Options, you have time and stuff, but on futures, we're looking for those precise entries and those precise exits. You don't want to be guessing here. Look, like this barcode stuff, like it's just stuff you don't want to be involved with. So, discipline came in key today, and because I know tomorrow with CPI, more volatility. Today's a Monday with the no news. Typically leads to a choppy day. We took Asia highs and lows, so again, another sign of indication and another sign that we're gonna have a choppy day. However, this morning we did have a nice Judas swing. So I'm always talking to you guys about you have your accumulation phase here. Here's your manipulation leg. Look at this, 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock candle reverse, and then you could have found a long in here. Maybe there's like a 1 minute inverse, a 1 minute FEG, or something that you could have, and then you always aim for the top of that accumulation range from where the manipulation leg started. So see, you could have longed here. Um, Still didn't find it high probability, so I just like I said, just stayed out, just sticking to my own personal rules. But you see how that works and why it's so important to usually wait until like 10 o'clock to judge where price is going to go because of manipulation swings like this. You don't want to be chasing puts here, thinking oh we're gonna turn down today, and then boom they get you. So what happened was you see, all we did was we came down, like the morning leg, we came down, we took these relative equal lows from overnight, we tapped into this hourly FEG, we tapped, deeper into this 4-hour FEG. Actually, let's see where we are on this here. You see how we respected the point 0.5 fib of that 4-hour FVG, a very bullish sign, and then we got a strong candle close back up with starting at the 10 o'clock 4-hour candle right back up. So this right here has me leaning bullish for CPI data, at least for the first like wick. I'm thinking since we did not take yesterday's high or Friday's high, I'm sorry, up here at 613. I think that will be a possible target tomorrow. So maybe first moves up, and then we come back down, maybe fill some lower FVGs down here, or in some hourlies. I mean, so that's the possibility, or it's possible, we wick down first. Whoops. It's possible we wick down first, fill in these, and then maybe go back for the high, and then maybe make a move up to 719. Either way, those could be the possibilities. I'm not going to predict them. It's just not worth it. We'll wait and see what price action gives us tomorrow. So remember, tomorrow, very important to pay attention to your data highs and lows. So if you get a wick up first, and then you come back down, you take out the lows, and then you get a long setup where you're starting to form FEGs going back up to say these are your data highs. You get an FEG here, you long that FEG here, and then your take profit is up here at these data highs. You could possibly be done pre-market tomorrow before the market even opens. So just remember to always pay attention to those highs. Let's see. What else do I want to show you guys? So obviously the 4-hour held. That's why I'm going to stay bullish. As long as this holds, we do, like I said, we could come back down to a discount here as well. This could be a possible target down here to you see we got this like 1-hour breaker here where like we had a low, higher low, took out the low, and then we take out this high again. So this would be your breaker here. So like, and it kind of lines up with that point 0.5 fib up here, be around that 411 area. Would also be your point 0.5 fib tapped into this like hourly breaker. Kind of like what people would say, oh, resistance has now turned into support. It's pretty much what a breaker is. Just using ICT terms, but yeah. So maybe we get some kind of like wick up for CPI and then come down to point 0.5 fib and then maybe longs back up to 719, or maybe we go down to discount first 0.5 fib and then tomorrow we trend back up and take out Friday's high. So that's just two possibilities that could happen tomorrow. But yeah, like I said, as long as these hourly FVGs are holding, I'm still going to remain bullish. Like I said, the 4-hour is still holding. If this 4-hour does break, then we're looking down here at 322, and then see how price reacts to this lower one. So yeah, A trip down to 410 definitely possible, but would be discount, and then 613 is the first target to the upside, um, as that's Friday's high. On ES, obviously another strong, not a strong candle. I guess it's Friday's candle, but just this little doji candle today, indecision. Obviously with CPI tomorrow. Same thing as NQ, held this 4 hour, held this little 4 hour FVG. So um, as long as this holds, still gonna be, I'm still bullish into tomorrow. First target would be obviously today's high is 44.37, and then we still have this 4 hour FEG over here that I'm looking for us to tap into as a bullish target up to 44.47. As a bearish target, I'd be looking for a pullback. Let's see, we don't have a 4 hour there. Do we have an hourly FEG down here? We do. Down here, just this hourly possibly, and then if we take our fib, draw our point 0.5, let's see where that lines up. So you see this hourly, maybe we tap into this hourly just below the point 0.5 fibs, just like ES, and then come back up to the highs. If we reject this hourly right here, then we're looking for 43.56, and then remember we have these equal lows down here at 43.25. So this hourly FEG will actually be pretty big and very telling tomorrow. So that's definitely one to look out for. And then the same for NQ, except NQ has, 1, 2, and then this FEG would be the start of in just below your point 0.5 fib as well. So these will all be huge in telling us where price wants to go after CPI tomorrow. Like I said, should be good price action tomorrow. Not much to go over today. Just wanted to show you the little accumulation, manipulation, and distribution back up. That's all there really was today. The rest is just chop. Nothing to really go over. No alerts. But with that, obviously I'll have a video out tomorrow after CPI and see what kind of reaction we get. Watch your data highs and lows, and we'll see you guys in the morning.